It's time for dinner. And tonight, what's on the menu? Brazilian stroganoff. So let's try it out. I already have the ingredients out. I'm gonna show it to you. It's slightly different. Actually, it's very different than the one, the original, its counterpart. And I'm gonna show it to you. An easy way to make it. A cheap way to make it. And you know why. You will find out why. So we've got chicken already cooked in this bowl right here. Scallions, whipping cream. This is smoked paprika, I believe. Yeah, if you don't have that, you can use regular paprika. Ketchup. Yep. I was gonna use tomato paste, but it needs some sweetness to it. So, and that's the Brazilian way to make it. So I'm gonna skip the tomato paste. Garlic powder. I'm not gonna use fresh garlic. Yeah, that's another cheat way to do it. Black pepper. Chilean white wine. And this one is a Chardonnay. Onions. What else? We need pasta. We need pasta. Yeah, and then what pasta are we picking today? Let's see. Today we're picking farfalle by Barilla. But you can pick whatever pasta you like the most. I like rice, to be honest with you. And Brazilians normally serve it with potato sticks, those fried potato sticks. Riscosa, olio extravergine di oliva. 100% Italiano. Okay. Just a little bit, about a tablespoon. Let's saute the onions until they're golden brown. Solid and translucent. And it's not at that point yet, but we're gonna get there. I screwed up. And instead of... Actually, there was an ingredient. Mushrooms. That I forgot to show you guys. And that's about 1 pound of mushrooms. And depends on your taste. I used one chicken breast entirely. It was a big chicken breast. I only eat chicken breast. I don't eat the other parts of the chicken. So the equivalent is about 1 pound or 435 grams of mushrooms. But the thing is, the mushrooms were supposed to be sauteed with the onions. And I didn't do that because I got distracted making this video. But it's okay, because I added the chicken first to the onions, and now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. So, let's do that. Alright, now let's add the chicken to the onions now. The other thing, I should have used a wider pot because this one is too narrow. I'm going to show you why. Now it's harder for me to saute things. And I should have listened to El Jefe. Definitely, because he always tells me that. As you can see now, I'm having some difficulty now with the mushrooms. They're not gonna saute properly. I'm gonna have to wait until they wither a little bit, so to make room for the sauce. So that's gonna be about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Let's add now the heavy whipping cream. All of it. Let's see, how much do we have here? 1 quart. 300 and 900, I'm sorry, it's almost a liter. 946 milliliters. All of it. That's equivalent to 2 boxes of whipping cream, those little ones. Those 2, I think it's a pint each. I'm not very good with math. Besides, we have a different metric. We use the metric system in Brazil. So normally I would use table cream for this, because whipping cream, as you can see, it's not very thick. It's runny. And table cream, if I use it, it's already very thick in comparison from the start, from the get-go. So I don't have it, so we're gonna have to cook this longer so to thicken up the sauce. And we're gonna add the other stuff, the other ingredients. Also, I'm gonna use some flax seed, because flax seed can be used to thicken up sauces, soups, stews, curries, whatever you like. And it's an excellent substitute for eggs. It's binding, and I use it in recipes that require eggs, because we are allergic here to eggs in this house. Here you go, I just added the flax seed. It's about 2 tablespoons of flax seed. It won't change the taste. It's very pleasant because it will thicken up the sauce without altering the taste. Yes, ketchup, I told you. And it's up to taste. No, not too much, about 1.5 tablespoons. Let's see the color. It's for color and taste. And mix it up. I haven't added salt or smoked paprika or garlic or black pepper yet. Okay. It should be pinkish. So that means we're gonna have to add more tomato ketchup. Let's add garlic. Oh, that was a lot. But we like a lot of garlic in this house. It's up to you the amount that you use. The sauce is already thick. It's pretty thick. As you can tell, it's not as thick as I would like, but once it cools off a little bit, it will thicken up. It's because it's really hot right now. We're gonna add smoked paprika now. It's gonna add more color to it. I like a lot of it, so it's smoky. Oops. Maybe it was a little too much. No, it wasn't. It's gonna change the color a little bit more to give it a pinkish hue. And let's add salt and taste. Let's cook our pasta here for about 12 minutes, 11 to 12 minutes. If you want al dente, 10, 11 minutes. Just added the black pepper. As you can tell, I like a lot of it. It's up to you the amount that you use. If you want to make this sauce like hot, you can add cayenne pepper or other type of pepper that you like. Today I'm not making it spicy, just black pepper. And it's time for the wine. Ooh, just kidding, it's for the stroganoff. So we have puppy, product of Chile. So let's just add some wine. Probably like half a cup. Yeah. I eyeball everything. I don't use recipes usually. I just base myself on recipes that I already know. I already added the salt as I think I filmed it. But if I haven't, anyways, it's time for a taste. Oh no. One more thing we forgot. Scallions. You can use cilantro, parsley, whatever you like. Up to you. It's time to taste the sauce. Mmm. It's delicious. Mmm. It needs a little bit more salt. And then we can serve it with the asparagus that we're preparing and the pasta. Remember to leave your thumbs up, guys. I always forget to ask. But I really appreciate that if you could do that. And try this at home. You're not gonna be disappointed. It's delicious. Thank you. Now we have the asparagus ready and the pasta. Now we need the sauce. And let's try it out. So we're here with the stroganoff, the Brazilian stroganoff. Normally Brazilians would put some potato sticks on top of this to make it crunchy. But we don't have that. And instead of pasta, it would be rice, white rice. But we're having pasta because El Jefe likes pasta. So give me a thumbs up and dig in. Try it at home. Thank you so much for watching and bon appetit. Thank you. Mmm. It's really good.